last design of my fake bake advent calendar. Oh my god, so cool. I've already turned these little jars into cute little gingerbread men, little gingerbread houses, little snowmen. And on this video, I'm gonna turn this cute little jar into cute little cups. Oh my god, adorable. Let's find out how I made it. Yay, the last design. Oh my god, this is very exciting. And then it's time to build the frame or put it together. Oh, I am so excited. I just cannot wait to put it all together. But let me show you the previous designs. I made a little gingerbread man, a little gingerbread house, a little snowman. And what I'm gonna do on this video and the last and final design is it's a coffee cup. Oh, I thought it was perfect. So what I'm gonna be doing in this video, I'm gonna be making the handle and I'm gonna be painting the jar. The jars are all primed and they're ready to go. So here they are. They've been primed with the gesso. You can probably check out the previous video, the first video of where I made the gingerbread man to see the process from the beginning. And then I'm gonna be painting it red. But let me go through this. And I'm gonna do the drips with the foam clay, and they're gonna be chocolate color, and the top bit is gonna be lightweight filler. I am gonna put some decorations at the top, and I'm gonna show you. I've got a mold and I've got things that I made on previous video. So on the previous video, so bear with me. I'm gonna show you all the materials in a sec. So that is the idea, and I'm gonna paint the little jar red, but I've got 3 reds. So I bought this two because although I absolutely love this red, which is a crimson kind of thing, and it's quite dark and I find it very Christmassy. I really love it. The problem with this is just doesn't cover too well and is a little bit patchy. So I invested in these two, which were quite expensive, but it looks like quite a good paint. Not keen on the colors. I'm not really that keen. So I will have to see. I'm not sure how this is going to work out. But bear with me. It's going to be red. Which type? I don't know yet. And then I'm going to draw like little stars kind of thing with a Uniposca, with a white Uniposca. I'm going to make the drips with like chocolate foam clay. Well, not chocolate foam clay, chocolate coloured foam clay. And then I'm going to be using like a little bit of like white foam clay, because what I would like to do, although the jar is going to be red, I'm going to make the little handle white, because then it's going to go with the decorations. I will be using lightweight filler to do the cream on top. I love using lightweight filler. It's so satisfying. And I've got this cheap nozzle, which is the same one that I've used for the gingerbread man. And I'm going to be using that, which is, I can't remember what it's called, rosette. But yeah, I will be using that to do the cream on top. And to decorate, I'm going to be using the little chocolate hearts that I made for the gingerbread man. Oh, I've made some more and I'm going to use them. But also what I've done, I made a little gingerbread man using polymer clay, and then I've got loads of silicone lying about because of my experiments and my playing with it. That I made a mold of it. So I'm gonna make like little gingerbread men to just put on top as well. Yeah, I'm gonna be decorating them using the Uniposca to do like the little icing around it. And then to do the eyes, I'm gonna use this and a little bit of black paint. And this is like, you know, the bowl, round bowl tool thingy. I don't know what it's called. So it's gonna look really cute. And this is the mold that I made. And to make the gingerbread man, I'm going to use this, to me is caramel colour, because I think it's the perfect colour for the gingerbread cookie. So I'm going to be using that, spreading it on the mold, get it out, job done. Put it on decorate the cup with it. But this is very exciting. Oh, and as usual, as per the other videos, I'm going to be using an acrylic block to smooth the foam clay to do all the drips and stuff. But I'm going to try to do it flatter at the top. Although actually the lid for the cap is going to have the wooden semi-sphere as well, because it needs to hold the lightweight filler. But also I'm going to try to flatten it, just to try to give it a lip, like an edge, to make it look like it's a cap and it's got overflowing chocolate or whatever. But let's see if it's gonna work. But oh my god, so this is all the materials that I will be using, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna crack on with it. This is so exciting because I'm so close to making the whole thing, and doing the designs has just been so much fun. They're so easy to make, and they're probably not perfect, but yeah, they're handmade. They look quirky and cute. I don't want them to be perfect. I just want them to be me. And I think they are so far. Let's see how these come out. But I'm going to stop faffing about. I'm going to crack on with it, and I'll see you later. Oh my god. Exciting. Here we go, the making of the cups. I really did not like that red, and I even tried to tone it down a little bit. I think it was too bright. That's why I don't like it, because it's just too bright in your face. But actually on the video it doesn't look too bad. But I tried to mix it with the rose sienna, which on the video it actually looks okay. It was awful. It was awful. So I covered a lot. I did God knows how many layers on that thing. But yeah, I ended up then using the crimson paint. But I'll let you carry on watching and I'll see you at the end. Design is now ready. And they're all little coffee cups. Look at them. Do you like them? I'm very pleased with them. Really pleased with them. And also I wasn't sure how to do the handle, and I wanted to paint it, but I did do a prototype and I didn't like it painted. But let me know, what do you think, if the white handle works or not? I like it, because I thought, well, there's the white decorations and it works. Also, I've ended up giving the jar so many coats of paint because I tried the 2 different reds that I bought I bought recently. But no, I was in love with this color, and I then ended up coloring, like painting it with this. Although, as I said, the coverage with this paint is not great, and I think it's a little bit patchy as well. But I was like, I don't care. I like it. I'm gonna use it. But with the base coat being red, it's not that obvious, I don't think. Well, but yeah, I love them, and I used this in the end, and I just did loads and loads of coats on top of it. So we've got the 4 designs. This is the coffee cup, and then on the previous video I made the snowman. The video before that I made the gingerbread houses, and the video before that the little gingerbread man. Oh, so these are all the 4 designs, and I really hope they're going to inspire you, or they've inspired you to make your own advent calendar or make your own fake bake creations. They are so much fun to do, and they're so much fun to make, and also they're really quick. I'm pretty sure that in a couple of days you can just hammer them all out, all the 24 jars. So all is left to do now, it's the frame. And then I can put it together, I can put the jigsaw puzzle inside it, and then it's going to be ready for Christmas. I'm so sorry, but I'm so excited. I'm very, 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 very excited. But I really hope you've enjoyed this video, and go and check out the other ones if you want to have more ideas. There's going to be a playlist, and I'm going to put a link in the description about all of the how the advent calendar is coming along. Yeah, and if you have enjoyed it, why not give me the thumbs up? It really helps my channel to grow. And also, why not subscribe and hit the bell so you can receive the notification on when I finish the whole calendar off. And also to see what the puzzle is. I am really pleased with the puzzle. I'm so excited. I cannot wait. But once again, thank you so much for watching. Take care for now. Bye bye.